how do you use tara IIDESUKA and when you should use the tara IIDESUKA. In this video clip, we'll talk about how to make the sentence by using tara IIDESUKA. So to make more understand about how to use the expression tara IIDESUKA, the first we should know how to make the form by create from the verb. Are you seeing here in this expression or in this form we have ta and plus by la IIDESUKA. This means we start by the verb and after that followed by la IIDESUKA. And to make the tara IIDESUKA form, the first you should change the verb to be the past tense form. Are you seeing here we have the verb kau. Kau is mean by and kau is in the dictionary form. So when you change to be the past tense, should be kata. Kata, and after that you follow by la. So you can change like this. Kau katara. Suru. Past tense is shita. And to be the tara form should be shitara, which means do, something like this. And also we also have the some verb at here. Example in this we have au. Au is mean meet. Meet someone, meet something. So we change to be the past tense. Atta. Atta is mean the past tense. So just followed by la. So we have attara, which means meet. And the next we also have the verb taberu. Taberu is mean eat, and taberu is in the dictionary form. So when we change to be the past tense, it should be like tabeta. Tabeta is mean you ate. So when we change to be the la form, you just change like tabeta is plus by la, so you can say tabetara. And it's about how to change the verb to be the tara form. So the first you should know how to change the verb to be the past tense and followed by la. So now we will see some lesson about how to create a sentence by using tara form. After tara, you just put IIDESUKA in here. So in the example, we have the sentence like Doko de kamera o kattara ii desu ka? Doko de kamera o kattara ii desu ka? Which means, where would be a good place to buy a camera? I see here when you use the tara ii desu ka, it means you ask somebody to advise something for you. So anybody, any situation, you can use tara ii desu ka. In depend to the situation. And in here we have the situation like that you don't know about the camera. You don't know which shop you sell the cheap price of camera. So you can ask your friends, you can ask anybody around you that know about about the price of camera. So in Japanese, when you want to ask something for somebody to advise you or advice for your friends, anyone, you can use tara ii desu ka. So in the sentence like this, we can answer in many situations. In many answer, we have many answer for the sentence like this. So in here, we just answer like this. Yamada denki ga yasui desu yo. Yamada denki ga yasui desu yo. It means Yamada store is cheap, you know? Something like this. And in Japan, Yamada Denki is also famous for electric device selling. So Yamada Denki is good for electric device selling, but the price you don't know wow. But in this example, they take the Yamada Denki. Or you can say Amazon ga yasui desu yo. If you have ever buy something from Amazon, so you can advise for your friends, something like this. And the next, we have the sentence like 日本語を勉強したいですが、どうしたらいいですか？日本語を勉強したいですが、どうしたらいいですか？ Which means, I want to learn Japanese language, but how do I learn it? Or how do I do? Something like this. So are you seeing here for the sentence in Japanese? In here, you see that they use shitara idesuka, which means they change the verb suru to be past tense. Shita and plus by la and followed by idesuka. So you can say doshitara idesuka, which means how do I do or how do I learn Japanese language? That means you ask your friends to advise for learning Japanese language. If you're just the beginner, you don't know how to learn Japanese language, so you can use doshitara idesuka. So how to do? How do I do? Something like this. And in the case like this, we also have the question. We also have the answer like this. YouTube で日本語の勉強が日本語の動画がたくさんあるよ。YouTube で日本語の動画がたくさんあるよ。Which means there are many Japanese video clips in YouTube. So when you advise your friends, you can advise many things. For example, if you know any website that are good for learning Japanese, you can advise like this. このサイトで日本語を勉強できますよ。Like this. This means you can learn Japanese from this site. Website for website in Japanese, they don't say website, they just say サイト。サイト is mean website. So you can say ABC サイトは日本語を勉強できますよ。Which means you can learn from the ABC website. 無料です which means free is free. So it has many answer depend to you. So here is just some example. And the next we will have the question like this. どこで会ったらいいですか？どこで会ったらいいですか？ Where should we meet each other? In this case, for example, you talk with your friends, with your teacher, with your manager, or anyone else that where should you meet each other? So when the situation like this, you can say like this. どこで会ったらいいですか? Which means where should we meet each other? And in this example, we have the あったら is from the verb au is mean meet. So when you change to be tala, it means atala, which means should, should meet the place, because you don't know where it's good for your meeting, for you to meet each other. So you can ask your friend to advise the place, or you can ask your teacher to advise the place. So in a situation like this, we also have many answers. So here is just one answer. For example, 図書館でいいですよ。図書館でいいですよ。Which means it would be good to meet each other at the library. This means you can meet each other at the library. 図書館 is mean library. So just depend to your friends, your teacher, your manager, or anyone who you're talking with. So you can say, レストランでいいですよ。レストランでいいですよ。It means we can meet each other at the restaurant. Or you can say in the cafe shop, like カフェショップでいいですよ。Or you can say in your office. So 私の事務所でいいですよ。It means we can meet each other at my office. Like this. So here is about how to use the expression たらいいですか? Something like this. So it's really simple for you to use when you want to ask some advice from your friends, your parents, or anyone you're talking with. So I hope that you understand about how to use the expression あったらいいですか? Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And if you have any question, please comment below. I will be happy to answer your question. ありがとうございました。